Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Western Union money transfer. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in into Western Union. After that, you can only cancel transfer if it has not been deposited into recipient account. If the transfer is marked as a completed, you cannot cancel the payment. Now, after logging in the Western Union, just simply click on these three lines. As you can see here, there is an option called history and simply click on the history option. It will take you to your transaction history. Now you have to look for your transaction which you want to cancel. Now you have to look for cancel button option and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. So this is how you can cancel the money transfer in Western Union. If this process not work for you, you can simply contact the customer service if needed. So if this found video helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.